Welcome to Sarah Magic Makeup.
Hey everyone, it's Sarah, your French illusionist. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm turning into a cute slash probably more creepy than intended cat, and I am teaming up with Katy Cat Vintage, a fun Etsy shop specialized in furry cosplay items. Katy Cat Vintage sent me these super cute, fun, handmade ears, and I think they're gonna go perfectly with a cat makeup. You can charge them here in the back and they're gonna move. That's absolutely cute, but I don't want to ruin the fun of the tutorial, so I'll just show you these at the end, and I'm gonna move on and start the makeup, the cat makeup. I'm gonna put on the fan because it's hot here in the south of France and I cannot speak without the fan, otherwise I'm just gonna sweat and the makeup will be a catastrophe. So far, so good. I'm using my favorite lashes in the whole world. Magnetic eyelashes. They changed my life. If you want to see how, check out this video. I'm using a black magnetic eyeliner. You just put it on, then you get the eyelash close to the line, and poof! It just glues to it perfectly. You don't have to wait for it to you don't have to wait for the glue because it's not glued to dry. You just don't have to wait. It takes 2 seconds to put on your eyelashes, and for me, it is just a miracle. Anyhow, eyeliner, and then we are finished. I don't know why I'm saying we because it's just me, but I'm just talking like you guys are here with me. Oh my god, I love them so much! Look! I think I uncovered a world-class mystery. Why people wear cosplay ears is because they're super cute and super fun. I love them so much. They are really light. It's kind of disturbing when they move because they make this noise. I don't know if you can hear it on camera, but it goes so It's kind of weird. But anyhow, they're really light. They don't fall. They stay in place perfectly. They are absolutely cute. I love them. And you can shape them by, you know, playing with the metal that's inside, the wire. So you can make them look more like this. It's so cute. Or both, you know, if you're one of those cute Asian cats. Or if you're kind of like a demon. And you can brush them. You can wear them with makeup or no makeup. Or for a kinky night, I guess. It's cute like this. It looks like a bunny. I totally understand why some people are obsessed with them. I really do love them. I would probably not wear them to go to the store or without any makeup, but they are super cool, super cute, very comfortable, and they look awesome. I mean, look at that craft. The motion is absolutely fun. I love it so much. I gotta stop yelling in the microphone. Thank you so much. It's disturbing. Thank you very much, Katie Cat Vintage, for sending me your amazing cosplay furry ears. I love them, truly. I think they go perfectly well with my makeup. And they are beautiful, beautiful handmade work, and I recommend them if you want to dress up as a cute kitty or any other furry cosplay. Check out their website in a video description. I feel super cute right now. I'm gonna wear these again. Oh yes. Every single of... Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the subscribes and likes and comments. And I will see you soon with another makeup tutorial. I love them. Bye. You can shape the... Thank you very much, Katie Cat.